What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit different than my typical videos because we're going to be going through the journey of building all 6 of the cars in my car collection. Now, I am beyond stoked for you guys to see this video because we put a gross amount of money, so much time and effort into building these cars over the last year, and I just can't wait for you guys to see this. Now, with that being said, none of these cars are done. Like, the builds are all still in progress. We've got so many mods here and ready to go. I've just got to make the videos on them. Now, just before we get going with the video, I just wanted to mention all the cars are going to be built in order of when I bought them, first of all. And second of all, some of the mods on a couple of the cars, I didn't do YouTube at the time, so I didn't film any of it. So I'll just slap the pictures in and the prices and what they are so you can still see. But yeah, there just won't be footage of me installing it. But for now, I need everybody to hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video because this is going to be fire. So it is 9 in the morning. We're just waiting for the Uber and then we're about to go pick up my brand new Mustang. I'm so stoked, bro. I don't even know how to drive manual yet. Yo, I can't believe how clean this thing looks. Here's the stock exhaust that I just took off. And right here we've got some custom leather seat covers from Custom Interiors. Seat number 1 is done. So I'm pretty stoked with how it turned out. Dude, this thing looks so much more aggressive. Just a couple more clips to this. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing in. Finally got these new Euro style taillight. Moment of truth, let's see if they work. Oh, that looks sick. Man, I just can't get over how good this looks, dude. So we're just going to do our first oil change. This thing takes 10 quarts of oil. Just picked up the filter. Let's go get this thing done. And right here, we've got our new carbon wheel, bro. Got our airbag off in 10 minutes. Check that out. That's so much cleaner. Yo, check that out. And I actually already put the carbon cover on. And the fitment on this thing is immaculate, bro. Just finished the wash. Check out how good this thing looks. We've officially wired the money. We're going to Superstore right now to put this car in my name. I can't wait. 2 cars is actually nuts. This thing just looks so mean, bro. This is my brand new dirt bike. Right here is everything that we're gonna need for our oil change. Okay, we got the ramps out. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna clear, but I think I should be okay. Well, we got her in. Not a ton of space to work with. Here's the majority of it right here. Let's go ahead and tackle this first seat. Got her out so easy. Yo, red's gonna look so fire. Let's go ahead and tackle these back seats. The bench was super easy to take out. This next one's just one big piece. Bam, she's out. We're like 10% done on the back. Let's go ahead and get the next one in. Yo, this is actually coming together so well, bro. I can't believe how good this looks. Only got 1 seat to go. And just like that, we are all done with the seats. This looks so good. Let's go ahead and take this armrest out. Next one went in, we're done. Door cards are gonna be the easiest part. Got it out super easy. Red door card ties it in so well. Exact same process for the back ones, just like that, it's out. And we got the next one in. 1 more to do and we're done. And there she is, boys. Looks so much better. Holy, the tools back there, man. Oh, this thing is so nice, man. Look at the difference between these two. This one's... So we've got our wheel all together. Now we just got to throw it back on. Check that out, dude. That looks so sick. so much better to hold too. Okay, so we've got one down and one to go. Now to me, this definitely looks better. Now right here, we've got some brand new eBay tail lights, baby. They have adapters for both. These things go crazy, bro. Everybody, it's the next morning. We're about to get going here to go pick up the new vehicle. About an hour away, so got some driving ahead of us. I've had this for less than a day and we've already got the wheels off. Already got the front bumper off as well. Just installed our new front lip. Got the bumper on, lip looks fire. Got the first wheel off. Okay, we've got the second tire off now. Got our drill and sander. Caliper low-key looks fresh. First layer of barbecue paints, go hit it with some blue. First caliper's done. Yo, this color looks so tough. This looks so good. Time for the back wheels. Yo, why does this look so fire, bro? Well, boys, here's the new wing. It looked really good. I'm super happy with how that turned out. We're gonna be throwing on a new diffuser. We got her on there. And this thing looks sick, bro. Well, boys, the battery on the Audi is dead again. This thing is ridiculously large. Oh my goodness. So we got the badge off. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. Yo, these mirrors actually look so gas, bro. Holy. My dumbass forgot the code reader. I gotta run home. So here's the van here. It's a 2005. So here's the inside. It's in pretty mint condition. So here's what the back looks like. Now there's roughly $4,000 worth of tools in here. I'm not going to get too deep into it because it's kind of boring. This actually looks so insane. I'm so stoked on this thing, bro. I'm stoked, bro. This car's so clean. I think you guys are going to be stoked on it. Got our 10K in action here. Well, here's the new car. It's a 2007 335 E92. Oh yeah, we definitely got enough. Okay, now I believe this is everything. Okay, we just finished up with the first side and that looks so much better. Okay, that is one of the better things I've done. We've got two new spoilers for the E92. This thing looks so good. Yo, this looks sick, bro. But check out the difference between these two units here, bro. It's gonna be this Icon Motorsports front bumper cover for the E92. Okay, so we just finished the sanding process. We'll go ahead and let this thing dry off. Okay, so we got the first piece on and it actually looks insane. Right here from Nelson Racing Wheel, we've got a forged carbon front splitter with blue flake. Dude, this is by far the nicest lip I've ever owned. Look at that blue flake with the blue intake scoops, bruh. We've got the VRSF relocated dual cone intakes. These were $600. The VRSF catless downpipe was $400. The ARM 2-inch outlets as well as the blow-off valve was $400 for both. The VRSF intercooler was $700 for the kit. The blue intake scoops were about $100 and the grills were about $60. The VRSF catback exhaust was $1,100. It's also got an MHD tune. The charge pipe was $200. And there's low-key a bunch more I'm forgetting in the engine bay right now, but whatever. We got these two red caps that are completely going to change the look of the engine bay. Let's put them on. Go ahead and start off with the crankcase cap. And next we've got our coolant. Dude, these actually turned out so good. Yo, I think I low-key should have done blue, bro. Yo, we just got this thing clean, and I'm low-key messing with these brown wheels right now, bro. Check that out, bro. Like, that is hard, is it not? So we did end up striking a deal. The car is on its way right now on a tow truck. So it's now the next day, still waiting on the tow truck. It sounds like it's on its way right now. So here's the car, and she needs a little bit of work. Bent rim and a bent tie rod. Yo, these things actually turned out pretty dope, bro. We've got some new kidney grills for the E90. Finally got those stupid things on. We've got this real nice M4 style carbon spoiler for it. Man, this back end just looks so much better with that wing. Got a VRSF exhaust. This was $1,100. We got this Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. I don't actually know if this will work, but I saw it in a YouTube video and it seemed like it worked okay. We'll give it a go. So this is supposedly everything we need for the headlights. Our sanders, pipe, gas cleaner, glove. That actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Look at that. Not totally perfect, but a lot better than it was. I had these little eyelids show up for the headlights. They're just little stickers, should be easy to install. It honestly looks pretty sick. That out. Oh, that looks so nice, man. Oh yeah. Just got the front lip on. It was actually kind of a pain in the ass. We got to slide our filter on and then we're almost done. Okay, so our intake is fully installed. Last up, we just need to throw on our heat shielding. And just like that, our intake is on. Check out how good that looks. All the red just goes so well together in the engine bay now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video or enjoyed the journey because, you know, it's been so long. Like, that was a year's worth of stuff compiled into one video. Minus the F30 and the Mustang. I bought those years ago and I've been modding them since, but you know what I mean. But it's honestly so crazy to look back on, just to see all the videos we made, all the things we've done. Like, doing all that in like a year mostly is so crazy to me. We're still a real small channel, but I appreciate everyone's support. I'm not going to stop anytime soon. I love making videos. I love pouring my money into this stuff. Like, there's honestly nothing I'd really rather be doing than this. But yeah, I really do appreciate everyone's support. Comment down below some video ideas you want to see. I love making videos, obviously, like I've said. Sometimes the hardest part is just thinking of what to do. So if you guys have some great ideas or something you want to see, please let me know down below. I'd love to check those out. And you know, I know some of these mods aren't the craziest, the cars aren't the craziest. I'm only 22 years old, no sponsors like I've already mentioned. So, you know, that's kind of the hard part about it right now is just trying to get the money for all this stuff, but we're making it happen. We've made it happen so far. And you know, we're gonna keep going. There's nothing stopping us. But with all that being said, before I ramble on for too long, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. So if you stay till the end, comment down below to let me know you're here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.